I guess the next thing we're going to look at are couplings. We have several different types here. The simplest one that I have right here, it's a simple tube type coupling. If you look at it, it's just a simple tube basically. I put a shaft on this side, another shaft on this side, tighten the set screws, and you're good to go. These are inexpensive. These are for, I've seen applications where they put encoders or very low force type applications. It's a relatively simple device. Now, if everything doesn't line up properly, you might want a coupling that looks like this. Same idea here. One shaft will go on this side, another shaft will go on this side, and we would tighten the set screws. And this would, I don't know if you could see the oscillations here, I can actually compensate for misalignment between the two shafts when I do this. Now we also make another version where we actually clamp onto the shaft. We split it here, and we put a screw in this area, and we clamp each side. So you have a very, very strong fit, but it handles a lot of misalignment. Next, moving right along, we have another coupling. This is basically a rubber connector between two metal shafts. So if I put a shaft on this side, another one on this side, this has a clamping collar on both sides. We make set screw versions too, I believe. They would be clamped, and this rubber would actually handle misalignments between the two shafts, both the input and output. It's a pretty neat device. This is pretty popular. Finally, we have a bellows type coupling. If you look here, this is actually pretty much, it resembles a bellows. I don't know if you can see me articulating this back and forth, but the same idea here. One shaft goes on this side, another shaft connects on this side. In this case, we use set screws to connect everything together. This bellows will handle misalignment, and the centers being out. I guess this goes up to 10 thousandths. I think that's what we said in the catalog. But this handles a lot of misalignment, both at angularity and parallel. It's a pretty neat device. This is a set screw type setup.